and welcome back to another video. My name is Char. Let's get right into the video. So tonight we're going to do a nighttime routine. So I'm going to be cooking some dinner as well as, cleaning up a little bit, drinking some wine, and trying out some new skincare routine. So let's try it together. I hope we like it. So going right in, we're gonna make some chicken, baked chicken to be specific. Right now what you guys are seeing is I'm making some sauce. I literally just got my chicken out of the air fryer. I air fry my chicken. I do not fry them because that's not good for you. And I basically placed them in the chicken, in the sauce that I made. If you guys want to know how I made this, just leave a comment and I'll show you guys. I also wanted to make some pasta tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and boil some water and add some salt to the pasta water. And we're gonna go ahead on the other side, we're gonna go and make the pasta sauce. So I went ahead and cleaned the kitchen. I had to wash some of the dishes as well as clean up a little bit so that I can set the tone, set the mood that I'm going for. I wanted to make sure that the house was clean before I took a shower and sat down to eat and enjoy my food. Alright, after cleaning, I went ahead and started prepping my skin before I showered. So I went ahead and cleaned my face off, like basically wiped the makeup, the little bit of makeup I had on for today, off with some witch hazel. Starting the skin off, I'm using the Alicia Keys brand called Keys. I'm using the exfoliator. This exfoliator was amazing, you guys, because you basically have to wet your hands and wet your face, and you just put it between your palms, rub it a little bit, and it's gonna like foam up. It was so cool. After rinsing my face, I went ahead and used the cleanser on my skin. It says that you just use your hand, but because I had a little bit of makeup on, I wanted to make sure that my face was clean deeply. So I use my exfoliating brush to kind of put the cleanser. I applied the cleanser directly on my skin, and I just used the brush to kind of just give myself a good rub on the skin to make sure everything was out of there. And over here I am using the Keys cream on my skin. I just applied to my focal point. There was also this balm that came with it, and the balm was basically for areas that you're having dryness, and I normally get dryness around my lip area. Even when I'm going to sleep, I always make sure that I smell good. I like to set the tone, so of course I wanted to light a candle, get my wine out, and just kind of just enjoy the night until it was time for me to go to bed. Of course, So I just got everything laid out, and I'm just gonna get my food, and then we're just gonna sit down and enjoy some TV show, maybe, I guess. Alright, my bells, this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just a nice little, small routine. I don't do anything major when it comes to my night routine. I don't go overboard. It was just something small to just kind of show you guys a little bit of what I do.
Bye.